In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save smart views in Close. Let's start on either the Leads page or the Contacts page. At the top left, you'll see an option labeled Add Filter. Click that to open up a set of predefined queries. These are ready-made, common criteria you can use to quickly narrow down your list without building anything from scratch. As you choose a query, your view updates to show only the leads or contacts that match what you've selected. Take a moment to scan the results as you go so you can confirm the list reflects exactly what you're looking for. If you're working with leads, think about criteria that define the type of accounts you need to focus on. And if you're on contacts, consider people-specific attributes. The key is to use the predefined options to build a clean, relevant working list. Once your filtered view looks right, it's time to save it so you don't have to rebuild it next time. Head to the top right of the page and click Save As. This turns your current filter into a smart view, which is essentially a saved dynamic search that you can reuse anytime. You'll be prompted to give your smart view a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your teammates immediately understand its purpose. A good practice is to include the audience and intent in the name, like high priority leads or recent contacts to follow up. Next, decide who should have access. You can share it with specific people or teams if it's meant to support a shared workflow. If the list is personal or experimental, choose Keep Private, just for me, and it will remain visible only to you. After saving, your Smart View appears in the left side menu within Close. This makes it easy to return to that same filtered set with a single click whenever you need it. You'll also notice the icons differ depending on whether the Smart View was created from a lead-based filter or a contact-based filter. That visual cue helps you recognize at a glance what kind of records the view contains, which is especially handy if you maintain several Smart Views. To recap, use Add Filter on the Leads or Contacts page, refine your results using predefined queries until the list is exactly what you need, click Save As in the top right, name your Smart View, choose who can see it, and then access it from the left side menu anytime. With a few thoughtful names and the right sharing choices, Smart Views can become your go-to shortcuts for keeping your pipeline organized and actionable.